Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going through some questions of checkpoint for your revision as your exams are coming up. So first of all the best for your exams. I know you guys have done a lot of practice until now, so you can make it happen to get good grades. And if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and go through the previous videos also. They are going to be very helpful to you guys. So let's start. The question that I have here: draw a ring around the sum of interior angles in a hexagon. Hexagon is a polygon having 6 sides, right? So sum of the angles is always n minus 2 times 180. So n is 6 minus 2 times 180, 480, that is 720. So sum is going to be 720. We are going to put a ring around here. Now the diagram shows two straight lines ABC and DBE. ABC and DBE. ABC and DBE are not perpendicular. Tick to show if these statements is true or false. ABE and DBC. ABE is this one and DBC are corresponding angles. No, they are not corresponding. They are vertically opposite. So we will this is a false statement. Now angle ABE and DBC, they are equal. Yes, they are equal because they are vertically opposite. Now angle ABE plus angle DBC, ABE and DBC, these two angles, sum is 180. No, this is not 180 because they are not on a straight line, but they are equal, right? Now number 3, a back-to-back stem and leaf diagram shows the ages of some people in two coils, core A, core B. We have here the key is representing 253, this is 25, and this way we have 53. So the ages of 4 people have not included in the diagram. For A we have Perry 28 and Mike 29. Complete the diagram by entering these ages of the 4 people. So 28, A is on left hand side, so 28, and then we have 29. So 2 at 28, 2 and 9 here is 29. Now this side we have for B 68 and 72. 68 is going to go with 6 here, and then 72, 2 will go up here, right? Now number 4, here are two properties of a number x. X is greater than 344 and x rounds to 340, correct to two significant figures. Correct to two significant figures when we see here. So any number, write a possible value. So it can be 344. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, any number that will lie in between like 344 less than this. So you can take any number between this that will round it to 340, right? Now number 5 we have here, solve 8 over y equals to 3. So 3 over 1, this is 3 over 1, let me write it down. 8 over y equals to 3 over 1. Now just cross multiply. So 3y is equal to 18 times 1 is 18, divide by 3, divide by 3. This is gone, 3 times 6. So y is 6. Now number 6, a point A is a point 14 and B is the point 110. Find the coordinates of the point. Find the coordinates of the point 1/3 of the way along AB from A. So we are looking for the points here. Now this is bit tricky. So you can see we have here AB. So let me draw here AB. AB is like this. Coordinates of A are 14 and coordinates of B are 110. So x coordinate is same. So we are looking for 1/3 of the find the coordinates of the point 1/3 of the way along AB from A, from here to 1/3. So now if you see the distance that we have here, 1/3, it's somewhere here, right? So it's not a midpoint, so it's going to be 1/3 of this point remains the same. The x coordinate is going to remain same. The other one is 10 minus 4. So 10 minus 4 or you can just use distance formula. Let me use that one. AB is going to be 10 minus 1 squared plus 1 minus 1 squared. So this is 10 minus 10 minus 4 y coordinate, which is 6, it is 36, square root of 36 again 6. So 1/3 of AB. 1/3 of AB is going to be 1/3 of 6, which is 2. So this point here is 4 plus 2. So 1, then this point 4 will become 4 plus 2, that is 1 and 6. Right? This was a bit tricky, but you can figure it out. Now next question we have here from the graph. The Angelic's journey is represented by distance time graph. We have distance here, we have time here. Calculate Angelic's speed on her journey. So let's see, we have here we can take like this is time, speed is equal to distance over time. So distance, total distance covered is 240 divided by 4, which is 60 kilometers per hour. 60 kilometer per hour, right? Now next question we have here. Here are some symbols: greater than, less than, and equal. Complete each statement by writing one of the symbols. 1 light year is equal to 1000 kilometer. Light year is always greater than kilometer. 1 ton is equal to 1000, that's true. 1 microgram is equal 1000 grams. So 1 microgram is going to be less than, micro is the smaller unit. 1 terabyte is greater than the 1000 bytes, right? Now number 9, the diagram shows a cross section of the prism. The prism has length of 7 centimeter. Find the volume of the prism. Now we know that the volume of the prism is area of cross section times the length. So area of cross section you are given here. This is the cross section. So we will find out the area here. So this area will be, actually how will you find it out? This is not a regular shape. So for the volume we will use later. First of all we need to have the area of the, so we can divide it into 2 parts like this. Okay, this is shape 1, this is shape 2. So area of shape 1, area of 1, this is becomes a rectangle, which is length times width, that is 8 times 10, 80 centimeter square. So then area of shape 2 is, that is a triangle, half times base. Base is this one. So this is 8. So this is going to be 5, because total is 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. So base times height. Height is this. This total is 10. So this is going to be 4, because this is 6, then this is 4. So 2 times 2. So this is 90 centimeter square. So now the total area of cross section. Total area of cross section is 80 plus 90, which is 170 centimeter square, right? Now the area volume of, that's our question, volume of the prism. The formula that we have is area of cross section times length of the prism. Length we are given here 7, and area of cross section we have just calculated 170 times 7. Sorry guys, I think I have made mistake here. 2 times 2 4, 5 times 2, this is going to be 10 here. So this is 10, let me correct it. This is 10. So the area of cross section is 80 plus 10, which is going to be 90, right? So this is 90 times 90 times 7, 630. So 630 centimeter cube, right? So that's it for this video. Press the like button if you like the video, and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.